All right, YouTube. About to get started on my new Alpine. You know, get everything that I need. You know what I'm saying? First thing first, the wiring process always started up here. I done took the radio out, you know, the old Alpine out. I done took that out and brought it upstairs already, so it's gone. So we ain't worried about it right now. You know, it's out the car. All we worried about is not getting the new Pioneer in, which we will be doing that probably tomorrow morning when it gets daylight. But right now, you know, we gonna do some wiring, man. And this right here is the PAC. So all these wires right here, it's gonna go to something. Just gotta match up the colors, basically. That's all we doing. All right. Right. So finally done with this, you know, with the power wire. I see this little illumination wire doesn't go nowhere, so I guess the Alpine radio is not calling for it. I even looked at the manual to see, you know, but it took me probably a total of 30 minutes, which you guys are not gonna see. I'm gonna definitely, you know, fast forward that, of course. Another thing, you know, you got two wires. You got a antenna wire coming from the Alpine side, and you got an antenna wire coming from the regular, you know, the factory harness. And I call this the factory harness because it's a replacement factory harness, but it plugs up into the factory harness. So yeah, that worked out pretty good there. Only wires we got left is the SWC output, which I don't know what that go to. Which I don't have no wire for that off the Alpine anyway. And like I said, the illumination wire. So, all right. See you guys in the car. All right, we back. You know, get the hooking this up. Look like somebody done been in here and stole my radio. But other than that, though, we'll get everything good. Sure, get everything placed out. Rule of thumb: if you got two of the same RCAs, it's probably put the tape on them so you can tell which one is which. That's how I had to do it. All right, key tip. This wire right here is like a it's like an amp wire for the car. So this go straight to the remote wire. The remote wire of the radio. You know, I didn't realize it until just now, because you ain't getting no sound there from that power antenna. So I don't know, the power antenna is just gonna be a wire you don't have to use. I would thought that you would have to use the power antenna, but all right, we'll be back. Everything should be put together and ready to go. All right, y'all, we back. But right now I don't got nothing set, but it's in. It's looking good. It's got the blue lights like everything else up in here. You know, tight in. Like, man, let me turn it up just a little bit. It's got the mute button. Take that little sound off. But yeah, we'll do like a full review on it soon. You know, other than that, man, you guys subscribe and like the video. It's raining. But, you know, all right.